Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm back again. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing one of my husband order from Amazon. Let me tell you a story about this one. Yesterday I was trying to take a video of unboxing my Valentino, and I was shouting and angry to myself that I couldn't get the proper video because there's nothing to hold on my phone. So my husband came up and he said, "What's going on with you?" I said, "I'm so hungry, blah, 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 blah." And then I didn't even know that he ordered me one of those stand to hold my phone. So yeah, this is just going to be a quick video. So let's start it. And I want to show you a face because I'm cooking. I'm cooking and I'm busy. And I got so much things to do today as well. And I just received my passport and it's 10 years. 10 years. Oh my God. So happy. Super happy. So here we go. Let's open it. So that's the paper. I guess this is the instruction of how you open. Oh my God. I'm also video my cooking just now. I'm cooking a pork sinigang. So that's why it's got so much going on just now. So that's the box. It's paper. Right, here we go. Just put that aside. And oh, okay. So I guess this is the thing to hold your phone. And this is the remote control, so you can control. And some of the screw. I don't even know how much this one, so I'm gonna ask my husband how much he ordered this. Okay. So there's a bag in it. Cool. I can carry it around. Oh wow, 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 wow. This is what I like. I've been putting it into my basket in Amazon. Oh, so nice. So lucky I am. My husband is really caring. He's good husband. Ah, cool. Really cool. So he saw it in my bucket list then, I guess. So you can actually do also make it wider if you want. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. This is what I want. I've been wanting it so long because I want something that I could stand and take a picture. Yep. How to lock it? Oh, okay, like that. Oops. You have to lock all the way. Everything. I'm sorry for not so clear video, guys. I'm just gonna quick open this. So this is how it looked like. I'm gonna show you. Oh, hold on. This one is a bit not balanced. Yeah, this one. Let me show you. Look at that. That is so tall. Okay, so it's the same as me in my just below my, that is like, so you can also make it wide as well, I guess. Yes, like that. And then you can, there's a remote here. I guess you have to put the phone over there. Ah, that is really cool. Cool, cool, cool. So that's it. That's for my unboxing. What of a surprise from my husband. So I'm gonna better continue cooking my pork soup, which is sinigang. I'm also taking a video for that, so I'm gonna upload that as well. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.